We're out here with the DY9 pistol. Another one of these Turkish Glock clones. Another bargain basement gun on sale right at the moment. I did an overview on it. They're all pretty much the same. I didn't get into all the details, and we're just going to take this one out and run it through the same test that I did. 20 rounds of the 3 different types of ammo and see if it works. So far, from the 3 pistols I ran through, the Caltech, the Dagger, and the G-Force Exodus, no light strikes, no jams on any of these guns. And they're all priced around under $300 or a little over $300, which is pretty cool for these striker-fired guns. Now, the only thing about this, the good thing is interchangeable grips. The flared mag well is cool, but it also creates a problem. Certain magazines won't fit up in there. They only give you 1 magazine, and that has this really neat base that when it locks in here, if you carry that, concealed carry, that little cutout there helps it not print when you carry it. So let's go on with the test. Alright, first ammo is that normal range and training. This stuff is constantly giving me trouble, but so far it has not. We're going to do 20 rounds of that. Shooting low, that's me. Alright, no malfunctions. True glow sights, easy to see. Well, shooting a bit on the low side. Could be me, don't know. Alright, we'll get on. Okay. The ETS mag, didn't want to drop 3. The one that comes with it though, drops right out of there. This one, well, did that time. To see what happens is, the base is too wide. There's some brands that this is too wide. It actually won't go up and lock into the pistol because of that flared mag well. That dropped out there. Alright. On to the next ammo. Okay, Max Tech 124 green bullet. Now the sights on this are pretty easy to pick up, and the gun's pretty comfortable to shoot in terms of recoil and stuff. Huh? No? Failure to lock open, wasn't a light strike. Huh. First time I had that. Could have been a limp wristed. Could have been. We'll see. Yeah, we're going to write that one off to where I limp wristed it. Yeah, all went fine. Alright, on to the next brand of ammo. Okay, next up, Blazer Brass 115 grain. When we go look at the targets, this pistol is consistently shooting low. It's grouping good, but for some reason, it's consistently shooting low. Let me try this brand of ammo. Better results. Yep. Another failure to hold back. Or it could be that magazine that came with it. No name. It says the weird floor plate. If I could, I don't look. Alright, let's go look at some targets and see what we done. Alright, with our normal range and training, see I was shooting low. Don't know if it's me or the sights. I looked at them sights. There's a set screw that holds the rear sight on. It's kind of got air underneath it, so it's kind of high. So I don't know if maybe shimming that and setting it in there would help shimming the dovetail, or changing the sight out. Alright, 124 grain Max Tech. You see, fairly good grouping. I was consistent in where I was going, you know, getting used to it. It's the first time I ever fired it. It's a comfortable gun, feels good in the hands, you know. And then kind of getting a bit more serious with the 120 or the 115. With the 115 Blazer Brass, kind of getting more control, you know, as I get used to the gun, the sights. Was trying to put the 3 beads right across, and kind of did better, but I shot a bunch on the low side too, so I don't know. I don't know if the sights are off or just the gun or what. I will do an accuracy test with all of them where I'll bench each one of the pistols off a bench rest and fire 5 shots as close as I can to get accuracy, to get a more well-defined accuracy test, other than me just shooting away at targets. Okay, for now in this video, I think I'm going to end it. I may get some of my reloads and get some more trigger time with this gun, practice with it. And, you know, a lot of people say, hey, you know, you say these guns are accurate and that. Well, I don't warm up or practice or get to where I got everything to show you a clean target. It's right out of the box, right after I got done firing the shotgun. So, you know, for me, it's pretty good. I hit the paper. So far with this one, 2 failures to lock back on the factory magazine. Don't know. And it appears to kind of be shooting low. So what I'm going to do off camera is take my time, practice a little with it. Then when I do my first impressions or review, I'll tell you if that happened again or if basically it's just me having to get used to the pistol. We got one more coming in a couple days. Bear Creek Arsenal Grizzly, which is another interesting item, and it's a little bit interesting than the rest of these, and a tad bit more expensive. You know, not my bunch. You know, another $50, $60 or something, but so we'll get that, and that'll complete our grouping, and you know, we'll go on from there. We'll do once I get them all, we can do a thing with magazines and go over each one and see how they all add up in terms of price, functioning, and you know, all the other fun stuff. Alright, if you would please hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned.